Hello artists, so welcome to another video, and today in this video I'll be showing you how I created this epic render using Blender and Photoshop. So without any delay, let's get into the video.
Okay, so first thing first, we need to create the terrain, right? So for that, I'm going to use an inbuilt plugin. So for that, I'm going to click on preferences, then search for a dot n, and then we have this thing here, ANT landscape. Just make sure it's checked, and now we can press Shift A and then add mesh landscape, then click here. Then we could just select canyon. Now we need to add some textures, so for that I'm just going to drag this thing up and then go to shader editor, click new, then let's first of all select the color map, then normal map, then roughness map. That's it. So now let's connect the color map to color, roughness map to roughness, and normal map. For normal map, we are going to create another node called normal map. Then connect it here and here. And now when we go to rendered view, we got this.
And if you want to know from where I downloaded all the textures, then the answer is Ambient CG. It's a free texture website from where you can download many other free textures, so it's just useful. Use it in your daily projects. Well, it's not a sponsor obviously, but whatever, just giving you some information.
This looks very weird. So to fix that, let's go to solid view, then edit mode. You just press A to select all the vertices, and then press UV mapping, press unwrap. And now when we go to object mode, and then when we go to rendered view, yep, that thing is fixed. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this thing 2-3 times. Just scale it, position it, duplicate it again. Okay, when we just go to the rendered view, we get this day scene, but what we want is a night scene. So for that, I'm just gonna use a night HDR, and this is what we get. So by adjusting the strength of lighting, we could just make it a night scene. Okay, now I am going to add some spotlights, and it is going to make things look a lot better. Okay, now we can finally render it. So we'll just click on rendering. Okay, so first I'm importing this image, I mean the render, and then first of all I'm going to use the curves adjustment layer. Okay, so after that I'm going to fix these black imperfections using healing brush tool. Okay, now we are going to create the sky. So for that we have these images. So let's use this one first. I just set the blending mode to color dodge. Okay, let's try to add some clouds. So for that, I am going to use this image. Well, since this thing is almost done, we are just going to merge all the layers in one and going to press Control Shift A, and that's gonna open the camera raw filter gallery. And now we can just edit these values until we get the best results.